How to fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. So if there was a problem with the server, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings, and under your settings you can simply scroll down, go for apps, and under your applications you need to simply go and search for YouTube. Once you tap on YouTube, go for the storage and cache, and then you can simply go for clear cache and clear all of your cache. Once you've cleared the cache, now you need to go back, and under your applications you may have Google Play Services. Tap on Google Play Services and you need to simply tap on storage and cache, go for clear cache, and once you've done that, now you can go back and now you can open up your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you can go for the search and search for YouTube. Once you've searched for YouTube, if you have an update option, you need to simply tap on update and update your YouTube application, because if you don't have the updated version, then you will find that error or that error page. So simply update, and once you've updated, your problem will be fixed, and that's it. That's how you can fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.